Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301766, and this is a 2026 Sierra 3500 crew cab Denali, and our color is titanium rush. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors with folding and extending mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. We've got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings. Our steering wheel features heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our exhaust brake, lane keep assist, parking assist, tailgate release, traction control and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our sunroof controls, rear window controls with garage door openers, and our interior color is jet black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated for our rear passengers, along with some USB charging ports and some extra storage compartments for you. Let's move on to our exterior. We've got our running boards, side box step, 20-inch Denali rims. Got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera, which is also fob released, a spray-on box liner with the fifth wheel hookups. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301766. You've just checked out this 2026 Sierra 3500 crew cab Denali. Thanks for watching.